Welcome again. So today we'll be talking about order block. So if you guys found the liquidity video very helpful, guys, keep hitting that subscribe button. Okay, today we'll be talking about the concept order block. Let me write it down. I know you guys be asking. I know you guys have heard this word countless times. Okay, so we'll be talking about the word called order blocks. You guys hear order block, order block. How is it working? How is the order block? See, guys, calm down, okay? Order block are very simple. These are very simple. This is found at the swing high and swing low. Okay, you guys can see how Forex is very easy, but because everything is just swing high and swing like up and down. So if anything that is going up is also going down, and this also is being found at multiple time frame or all time frame you enter. Yes, that's the same thing. So multiple time frame, okay? Any time frame you enter, you see order block. If it's the 1 minute, it's the 2 minutes, 3 minutes, the month, you see order block. Okay, so that block is being found everywhere, and the main reason they call it order block, this is where order has been stored in the market. Okay, whereby these areas whereby people are comfortable and say, okay, I want to buy here, I want to sell here. Okay, but like I said, trading is very simple and a lifestyle game. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how order blocks look like, and before we go, you know how we do it now. We draw and I'll show you guys how it works. So if we say order block work with swing high and swing low, so initially these are the market moves, right, in waves. So if we say the swing high here, so here will be our swing high and here will be our swing low, right? So and here will be our swing low. So on each swing here, let me change this color so it won't disturb you guys. So on each swing here, this swing there's another block here. At this swing here, there's another block here. At this swing here, there's another block. At this same swing here, there's an other block also, guys. So that's why I said this is very simple and very easy. Okay, so all these points they see an order block, and I'll also show you guys how you can also trade all this. But like I said, we don't trade all this. These are just concept, and we add everything together to be able to say, okay, these are top down analysis. So people also actually trade just order blocks, like where they enter with order blocks, get out with on the next point and all that. This is how it works. Okay, every trading concept you see, order block, liquidity, fair value gap, all these are concepts. ICT, smart money, all these are concepts where people use different words, but they are doing the same thing. But people use different words to just cover their brain, or that's the way they are able to be understand. Okay, so now let's get on the chart, whereby we'll start from the 24 hours. Okay, you can see, guys, we are on the 24 hours time frame. Okay, whereby we'll say the order block is being found swing high and swing low. And guys, let me show you how order block is being drawn. Okay, I think I need to use the blush this time around. I don't usually use this stick. So this is how an order block look like. Sorry guys for my drawing, but this is how it will be for now. But I'll show you guys on the real chart how it look like. So this is how the candle will looks like. There'll be a red, there'll be a green candle. That's what we call it, an order block. Okay, this is how it looks like. Right, yeah, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. So you can see it as different swing high and swing low. 1, 2. So let me go to the 4 hours and let me still show you guys. You can also see this at the 4 hours. All right, you can also see this at the 4 hours, whereby we say swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Okay, swing high, swing low. So all this like this, these are all called order blocks. Okay, then let's go to the 1 hour. Like I said, you can see it at multiple time frame. Anywhere you want to go, you see all this. Okay, anywhere you feel like, okay, say this is where I want to go, you still see all this, right? That's why I like the game. Order block, order block, order block. So these are just areas where price is. So you don't just base your own concept on this. Okay, it's good to know their names. It's good to know, okay, this is where they call order block, this is where they call this is where they call that. With all this information, be able to, okay, grasp your own knowledge to be able to work towards on what you are aiming for. Okay, so the concepts are very very easy, whereby you can still go to the 30 minutes, you still find other block, right? So anything about blocks, other block, breaker block, they are all blocks, they are all swings. So you guys have still heard the word breaker. Okay, for those who are actually listening to this last part, we actually know about this I'm talking about. So the breaker block scenario, whereby I'll say once price break a structure point, a breaker block will be the inside block. Okay, this is a breaker block. This is how a breaker block is. So a breaker block is inside block. It means, okay, we broke to the downside. This is the main reason they call it a breaker block, because this is the leg that broke to the downside. So that's called a breaker block. So this is a normal break whereby price break above. So once price come inside, it's called a breaker block. So it's just different concept they called it. It's same order block, okay? So it's the same order block, breaker block, order block, which are all same, and they are all found at all time frame. Okay, like I said, it's the same thing: swing high, swing low, swing high, sorry, swing low, swing high. Okay, you can see order block, order block. Okay, swing low, swing high, you can see order block, order block. This is just it, guys. There's no much talked about it. Okay, so if you still find forex very stressful, it's very simple: don't stay much on the chart. It keeps your mind very delusional or very drained, because looking at it alone is very 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 draining. So don't spend much on the chart, at least 1 hour 2 hours a day. Then once you are done with that, close the chart. Once you close the chart, go and do your normal life. Okay, forex is something you need to enjoy the process, not just jump into. Okay, guys, I hope if you found this video very helpful. I want to say stress. Okay, I know I keep making this game very easy for you guys to know about it. Whereby you see traders telling you guys this, do this, do that. They are all still concepts. Okay, so guys, if you found this video very helpful, guys, hit that subscribe button. Okay, and share this to your individual friends who also are doing this game also, because it will help them. Forex is aiming on listening. If you're able to or have good listening, you'll be able to grasp all this or get this good knowledge for free. Because now the way to study now is very easy, whereby we have different ways to study. So for other blog guys, I hope you guys like this video. Share it, bro. Share it, guys. Okay, so you guys can actually enjoy this. Simple. Just anytime you keep hearing people saying swing high and swing low, you already know that there's an order block. If trend is going up, there's another block. If trend is going down, there's another block. Okay, remember, guys, swing high, yeah, swing low. So all these points, there is an order block. Okay, and anything I talk up, just flip your chart and it will be done, guys. So guys, hit that subscribe button and keep hitting that like button, and tell me a video you get or where you guys are struggling on for, so I can make a video on it and tell you guys how simple it is. Okay, so drop a comment on that section box. All right, so I can know which aspect you guys are actually struggling on, so I can help you guys and make a video about it and how simple it is, and show you guys how to trade it if it's trading concept. Okay, so let's get to the next video, guys. See you soon.